Hey guys, so today I'm making this super awesome oven. I'm making a miniature oven. This took a long time, but I think it was worth it. I think I could have made it prettier, but let's just start. First, I have wrote the measurements and I'm giving each of the different cardboard a different name through an alphabet. So first, you would see previously that I gave the alphabet. I feel this might be easier than telling you the measurements each time. And it won't get confusing. It might get confusing, but I just feel it's easier to understand this way. So first I just created a box, as you see, and I am tracing my box in white paper. And this is going to be the outside of the oven. I will cut it out and then fold it, as you will see. Well, you can see. And then I'll glue it later. This video took a long time, so please like, share, and subscribe. Okay, now I'm painting the inside black. Completely black inside. And as you can see, the paints also got into the white part of the paper, which thankfully it didn't see through. Well, let's get into the next step. Next, I'm just taking another piece of A and cutting it up into this many pieces. I cover piece E and F with paper, and then I will glue E to the box. Next, I take piece F and poke 5 small holes. This is where we put the knob. So I have cut out circles and small pieces of triangles, and I'm gluing them together. That's 5 knobs you need to make. And then I'm gluing a small piece of paper clip in the middle and painting it black. And I'm putting it inside like this. I will put hot glue in the edge. I won't stick it to the cardboard. I'll just put it in the paper clip so that it doesn't come out. Next, I'm making the oven rack. So I'm gluing pieces of paper clips that I have cut out. And then I will paint it black later. I didn't really include the measurements here because it doesn't need to be exactly perfect. This bad lighting. I hate bad lighting. So now let's just glue the knobs together. And then I'm gluing 2 pieces of cardboard. Next, I will take piece D and then cut out the center. And I will paint a black piece of I'll paint a cardboard black. And then I'm gluing paper in the edges of the cardboard. I'm gluing it in the D piece of cardboard. I'm gonna cover this whole piece with white paper. I will check if it fits, and it does. Yay! And now I'm gluing a piece of clear plastic. Not gluing, just sticking with tape. And then I will glue the handle that we made earlier. Next, I have cut out circles, which is going to be the stove. And it's black circles made from foam sheet. I'm gluing it together all in the stove part. And I'm adding these paper clips that have been bent. I bent it and painted it. And it's almost done. I just need to glue this. What do you call it? The oven door? I'm just gonna call this the oven door, and I'm sticking it with tape. And it's done. I really like the end result, but I think I could have made the oven a different color. I might just paint it later. Well, I hope you guys like this video. See you guys next time. Bye.